Good morning, everyone. We're doing a webinar today on parent and sub accounts. Hope everybody's excited. My name's Calvin. I'll be doing the webinar today. We will be recording this, so if you want to watch it again or watch it later, it'll be at portal.paladinpos.com. And we will go ahead and do questions at the end. If you have any questions during, you can go ahead and send them over text and I'll answer them at the end. So getting started here. So today we're going to be learning about managing business accounts in Paladin, creating customer accounts, setting up accounts as parent accounts, adding those sub accounts to them, and then managing sub accounts there in the customer module. So most hardware stores have business accounts. You've got contractors, government entities, all of those fun things. And so the sub account feature is going to allow you to more accurately manage those businesses by assigning them to a parent account so that those statements print together when you print them. So in the hierarchy here, parent and sub accounts, each account is its own entity still. So your parent account can have projects, you assign those sub accounts to the parent account, and each one of those can have projects as well. With that, they will each have their own credit limits as well. So the credit limit will be tracked by each account rather than just the parent account. Creating a customer account. Pretty simple. Most of you probably know how to do this already. In the customer module, you go to F2 Add Customer. You get your information window here. Fill that out. Select F12 Add. It's going to add the customer into the account. Because these are separate accounts, that means that you can assign different tax default taxes to each account. So if you have a, maybe it's, property management, and they've got one of their apartment complexes in a different county or city, maybe even state, you can assign the taxes to that one so that when they come in and purchase things or purchase things for that account, the taxes are applied correctly. Setting up sub accounts. Once you've got the accounts created, you go to your parent account, primary account, whichever one you want to call it. You go to your electronic tab. You'll see this new field here down called sub accounts. You select edit in that sub accounts window. You will get another box that comes up that shows you manage sub accounts. Select add. It will bring up your advanced lookup. You can then search for your sub accounts. Once you highlight those sub accounts, you'll go ahead and select F8, select customer. It will then add them into that sub account, manage sub accounts window. To remove one, you just select it, select remove. Once you select close on that window, you'll now see that there in that electronic tab will be a list of the sub accounts that are assigned to that primary or parent account. Managing those sub accounts. So there in the drop down, when you're in your customer module or your invoice and quote module, you'll see pull up your primary or parent account, and you'll notice that the sub accounts are then indented from that. So that only shows up here currently in the drop down. We are working on getting it in the advanced lookup field as well. And what this is what setting these up is gonna allow is when you go to run statements and you print your statements out, it's gonna print all of those together rather than you having to look through and find those different statements to put them in the same envelope to mail them out. There are knowledge base articles available, parent and child accounts or customer accounts. You'll find links there at that portals.paladinpos.com. Are there any questions? Oop, there we go. Don't see any questions here. That was pretty short webinar. Normally they're a little longer. Sorry about that. If you guys have any other questions, please reach out. Our support staff knows what they're doing and how this works as well. Yeah, just let us know. You guys have a great day.